What's up, fellas?
We heard about your fight with Commander Nebula.
No, it wasn't a fight. It was just a professional disagreement. And in time, he'll admit that I'm better off alone.
We have solved your partner problem.
Not you guys, too. Look, I can't have a partner problem because I don't have a partner.
But XR is perfect for you.
XR? Who's XR?
Yes. Not who, what? Witness the future of space justice. XR, the Experimental Ranger.
XR reporting for duty.
Kinda short, isn't he?
Do you think so?
That little robot wouldn't stand a chance against Zurg's forces of evil.
Watch.
You're, going somewhere with this?
If Zurg blows up XR, we can put him back together.
And Commander Nebula proved a robot ranger? He hates robots.
Well, he doesn't exactly. No.
He does now.
Oh, hello, Commander.
So, you went ahead and built that expendable ranger.
Experimental Ranger.
Unauthorized ranger!
Well, technically, it was authorized by you. We slipped it in with our vacation request.
Craters. They always get me that way. I keep telling them no bucket of bolts can stand up to a real ranger.
He's got you there, fellas.
We thought of that artificial intelligence chip. XR is programmed to watch and learn. And he'll be learning from the best. You.
True, but, I don't know.
I don't know.
At least give him a test run as your new partner.
Lightyear, I already told you! Ranger Nova's your new partner!
Why won't anybody listen to me? No more partners!
But Buzz...
What's eating them?
I've seen this before. It's the mind link.
Evil.
Zurg.
His dark forces invade our homeworld!
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Buzz Lightyear mission log. Zurg's dark
Buzz Lightyear
shadow
mission
looms
log.
over the
Zurg's
entire...
dark shadow looms over the...
Could you not do that?
Could you not do that?